Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope everyone's doing great. I have come back again with a hairstyle tutorial. Now this one is again going to be a very super quick and easy bun hairstyle tutorial. I know you guys love watching hairstyle tutorials. I was like, let me curate couple of like hairstyle and show it to you guys, which you can do last minute. So without wasting your time, let's get started and let me show you all these three different hairstyles. Alright, before beginning the hairstyle, I would like to tell you, in case you guys do not have hairsprays, in case you're out somewhere, you do not have any gel, any hairspray or anything, you know, hair related stuff apart from your curling iron or curling wand whatsoever, and then some of the bobby pins, you can definitely create these super easy three hairstyles. So yeah, let's get started and let me share the first hairstyle with you guys. Alright, let's start with the first hairstyle. So what I'm going to be doing is I am using this comb and I'll probably do a middle partition and leave few strands of hair in the front, probably a little bit, not too much, and then gather all the hair at the back, and then using a rubber band I'll just make a pony. We'll just take out, you know, just like few hairs so it just kind of looks a little bouncy, and then we'll start twisting the hair, put it in a bun. This is a very easy everyday type of a bun that I'm doing, and then using another rubber band I'll just secure this bun. And now for the front hair, I will use my curling rod to curl my hair. So this is our first hairstyle, super easy, super quick to do. Just make like a quick bun and then just leave few hair strands in the front and just curl them, and this will like look very elegant and then, you know, really beautiful with your outfit. Now let's move on to the hairstyle number 2. So we will be keeping the middle partition. I'm just gonna like take few strands of hair from, you know, basically this area, and then at the back I'll take few of these hair, and then the ones which are remaining here I'm gonna bring them forward and make like a half pony here. First I'll make a ponytail full, and then with the second rubber band I'll make a half, like a bun or a pony. Now we'll put like leave few of our hair here, and then from these remaining hair now we'll make a bun here and secure it using a rubber band. We'll leave it like this for a while. Now using my curler, what I'm going to be doing is I'll start curling all these hair. And we'll be doing the same thing on this side. Now I've curled all my hair. I'm gonna go ahead like turn back and then start just spinning these hair in my bun. So I'm using U-pins to actually, you know, pin these hair. So the idea of this bun is like we are creating a little messy bun look. So you don't have to be perfect when you're pinning the hair. Now same for these, I'm just gonna one by one take them at the back and then start pinning them up. Alright, so here completes our second hairstyle. So the idea behind this hairstyle was to create a kind of a messy bun. So that's what I've done. I've created a kind of like a curly messy bun, which is gonna look really good for like your date nights or you're going out for a party or something. So in this hairstyle, you don't have to be perfect. Just curl your hair, pin them up, and just create kind of a messy bun. Now it's time to do the last and final, that is the third hairstyle. So again, we are going to do the middle partition. Leave few of the hair in the front, some from this side as well. And I will gather the entire hair in a ponytail. Then using a rubber band, I will secure this. I'm gonna leave few hair which are already curled. If you guys want, you can curl like some of the hair and just, you know, create a bun here, something like this. And then using a rubber band, I will secure this. Now the hair which are left, I'm gonna leave them like this, so it kind of looks, you know, they're coming out of the bun. And then the front hair which are already curled, I'm just gonna like freshen these up. And there you guys, this completes our last and final bun hairstyle, which is like a very last minute quick and easy hairstyle. And if you don't have like any hairspray or nothing, so it's just gonna like stay longer, and I think it totally works and looks amazing as well for your date nights or for, you know, if you're going out for a party or something. Alright, so these were the 3 different hairstyles which I shared with you guys. I hope they were super helpful to you. Well, these are like super helpful to me when it's like last minute, I'm running late. Even when my hair are like super greasy, I just quickly like put up a bun and then just, you know, curl my hair to make my hair look little fresh and then, you know, little presentable. So I hope these hairstyles are really helpful for you. In case any of them was your favorite or you have been doing for a while, please comment down below and let me know. I will be more than happy to know that we are choice sisters, like our choices meet. Okay, so yeah, that will be really good to know that somewhere, you know, you and me, we match on some levels. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this hair tutorial. I will see you guys super soon with a brand new video, but till then, take care, stay safe, bye guys.